Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial I would like to explain you, I want to discuss you about one most common face problem of mobiles. When we buy new mobile, we usually see that mobile works very fast, means with lightning speed. If you open any app or if you are opening any game, it will work like anything, it will work very fast. But after using 5 or 6 months or 1 year, we see that the mobile is lagging. Mobile is now not as fast as it was when it was new. So so in today's video we will fix that problem, and with four steps you can see the considerable difference between the performance before and after. So not wasting much of your time, guys, before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So directly coming to the first thing, we need to keep minimum system apps as minimum as possible in our mobile. These system apps consume much data, much memory. These memory is required to make the mobile fast. So first step, to reduce the system app and normal apps as low as possible. For example, suppose here Chrome, Google, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, YT Music, Google TV is not used by anyone, so we need not to have this, uninstall this. If you are using it, keep. If you are not using it, uninstall it. So like this in Samsung also. Here smart tutor, I think nobody is using it, I know, so install it. Radio, now nobody is using it, it is not installed. Then we'll go app info, and here we force stop it. So either uninstall it or force stop it. So this is the first step which we need to take towards increasing the response of our Samsung mobile. Secondly, we will go to the Play Store, and here tapping on the profile we will go to the settings, and here we can go to the network preference and autoplay videos, auto update apps. These two must be off. Don't auto update apps, don't autoplay videos. So these are the second things we need to take. Auto updating also makes slow our mobile, so we need to do this step also. Third step is related to the animations. So in animations we will go to the settings and we will find animation. We will write animation and we see that reduce animation has come. Go to there and we will just tap it on reduce animation, or we can go to the remove animation and we can permanently remove if we do not want to see animations. So this is the third step. In the fourth step, what we need to do, we just go to the developer option. If we are not knowing how to activate developer option, I have already made a video. Go below and see how we activate the developer option. We go to the developer option, and in developer option we will go to the drawings. In the drawings we just go to the scale. If animation is off, there is no problem. If we are not opting for remove animation, we can reduce the animation scale. In that case, the time will less to open any animation and the mobile will work faster than it was working earlier. So these are 4 or 5 methods by which your mobile will work like anything. You can see how my mobile is working. So this is all about today's tutorial. Friends, if you liked the video, you are kindly requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.